The one in front of me is my favorite place in the world. Not this one specifically, but these kind of places. Come, I'll show you. This place is amazing, but because of the nature of the place, I can't talk properly. So I'll get to my point outside of this place. This video is about books and how to squeeze the most knowledge out of them, and my point is, here it comes, that in a place like a library you can space out and focus completely on your books, while if you're reading on your room or on a train, you get distracted by sounds, by things happening, by cravings maybe, and your attention shifts somewhere else. But recently I found a very interesting tool I want to share with you that will help you to focus more and absorb more from the books you're reading. When is the last time you saw something like this? For me, it was on the side of a road used by some workers, and this thing costs between $30 and $40. It's not electric, which means you don't have to recharge it, and is your pocket library. Imagine you want to squeeze all the juice out of a lemon. I'm sure you can think of many ways to do that, but there are some ways better than others. And this one, like your lemon squeezer, is one of the best ways to get all the knowledge out of a book you're reading. On top of cancelling all the noises around you, there are some other ways I use in order to absorb everything from a book I'm reading. The first one is to underline or highlight anything important in the book and put in some labels sticking out of the book, so you can retrieve any important chapter or part very easily. The second one is to record all these little parts you underline across the book and put them together in a folder, so when you're going from A to B, going to the gym, going groceries, you can listen to them over and over again so they will stick in your mind. Because whenever you read or listen to a book for the first time, your brain absorbs only 30 or 40% of what you read, so everything else goes forgotten. And the third one is diet. You have to make sure you're eating and drinking properly before you're studying or reading, because otherwise your sugar levels will be on a roller coaster and your attention span will reduce. You will have more cravings, which means you will have to stop every now and then in order to eat more food or drink more sugary things, which will stop the flow. So if you can read for 1 hour eating healthy, maybe you can read only for 20 minutes if your diet is poor, because you can't focus. If you have 1 hour or more and you want to invest them into reading a book or studying, this is the best tool you can use. But if you're in a situation where you are home alone or you're looking after somebody and is out of your sight, don't use this, because the moment you put them on, everything else disappears covered in white noise and all the sounds become very soft. So use these responsibly. That's it. Enjoy your books, and I'll see you in the next video.